guys, BMW software update is free and it is very easy to do. All you have to do is to go to BMW website, scroll down and find software update link. And click on it. Once you're on BMW software update page, scroll down and enter your VIN number. Download update to your USB drive and go to your vehicle. Follow these steps to update software in your BMW. Before clicking on update software, insert USB drive and then click update. You can check your current version by clicking on show current version. That is all you need to do to get your BMW software up to date. Have a good day and safe driving.